Japan experienced one of the most significant attacks of the tropical system in recorded history over the weekend, when former Super Typhoon Nanmadol unleashed torrential rains and damaged the island chain. At the time of landing, the typhoon had an initial central pressure of 27.61 inches of mercury, 935 millibars. This pressure reading launched Nanmadol into the history books as the fourth strongest hurricane to make land. The former Super Typhoon, one of the most powerful ever to strike Japan, has left no part of the country untouched by torrential rains and strong winds, which have left hundreds of thousands of people without power. Super Typhoon Nanmadol killed at least 2 people, cut electricity to hundreds of thousands of residents and prompted the government to evacuate 9 million people. Nanmadol first made landfall on southern Kyushu, mainland Japan's southernmost island, on Sunday, local time, with a strength equivalent to a major Category 3 hurricane, maximum sustained winds of 111 to 129 miles per hour or 1. Since 178 to 208 kilometers per hour. Landfall in Japan. At its peak strength last weekend, Nanmadol was classified as a super typhoon of comparable intensity to a Category 4 hurricane. Maximum sustained winds 96 to 110 miles per hour or 154 to 177 kilometers per hour in the Atlantic or East Pacific basins. The storm resulted in massive flooding across the region as more than 16 inches, 405 millimeters, of rain inundated parts of Kyushu and the neighboring regions of Chugoku and Shikoku. Saturday, September 17th, the city of Misato in Miyazaki Prefecture has received more than 35 inches, 900 millimeters, according to NHK.